Good morning, ma'am. My name is Jender Montante from BSHM 4-2. This is topic beverage production control. Objective of beverage production control to ensure to ensure that all drinks are prepared according to management's specification. To guard against excessive costs that can develop in the production process. Device of device for measuring standard quantities. There are four measuring devices commonly used by bartender, shot glass, ginger, pourers, and automated dispensers. The shot glass. In some establishments, bartenders are provided with small glasses called shot glasses that used for measuring. There are two kinds of glasses, plain and line. A ginger is a double-engaged steel measuring device, each end of which resembles a shot glass. A pour is a device fitted on the top of bottle that measures the quantity poured from the bottle, limiting the quantity to the predetermined amount. Then, the automated dispenser. Many companies have developed and successful market various automated devices for dispensing pretended measure of liquor. This is I this is the graph. Item size per stock at bar. Shot glass 1.25 ounce per stock at bar 72. Cordial 2 ounce 36. Cocktail 3.5 ounce 72. Cocktail 4.5 ounce 72. Champagne 4.5 ounce 72. Sour 5.25 ounce 72. Rock 5.5 ounce 144. Brandy 5.5 ounce 36. Wine 8.5 ounce 72. Wine 6.5 ounce 72. Highball 10 ounce 48. Highball 10 ounce 144. Pilsner ang first stock ay 72. Mga uri ng glass. Shot glass, cordial, whiskey sour, brandy, cocktail, old fashioned, white wine, highball, rock, red wine, fruited pilsner, and tulip champagne. Establishing quality standard and standard procedure. Standard recipes. It should be clear that to control costs, one must establish control over the ingredient that to into each drink, as well as over the opportunities of the ingredients to one another. In other words, standard drink recipes must be established so that bar personnel will know the exact quantity of each ingredient to use in order to produce in given drink. Manhattan, number 1, 21 to 2 ounce blend whiskey, 3/4 ounce sweet Vermouth dash of bitter. Manta number 2, 12 to ounce blend whiskey, 3/4 ounce sweet Vermouth dash of bitter. Yan, yan ma'am.